Michael K here. What'd you think of Smuggler's Run?
Truly epic.
Disney's
you felt
future.
everything. You felt every back and forth of shit moving.
You
all
really
over the place.
did.
Loved it. Absolutely loved it.
Fans. It's here. Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Don't miss me! It is time. Hey guys! Woo! The excitement with everybody. We have just got to Batuu. It is time right now, guys. Right now. It is raining just a little bit, but it's all gonna be a good day. Oh my goodness. Look at everybody. Everybody's here. Slowly but surely we are making it in, guys. How excited are you? Oh my goodness. We're at a standstill here, but we'll be moving soon. It's amazing. Everybody. Opening day. Oh my goodness. There's a standstill because everybody's trying to process what we're seeing or about to see. Behind us. Yeah? Insane right now, guys. Insane. Seeing this all the first time. Hey, thank you. Thank you. Wow. Like,
So fantastic. Thank you. Welcome. Have a great day.
Thank you. Thank you. Right, son? Thank you so much. Thank you. Hi. Thank you. Amazing. There we go. Great sons. There we go. High five. Great sons. Great sons. Great sons. There we go. Great sons. Oh my goodness. The hype, the view. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this back here, guys. Oh my goodness. We gotta head to Smuggler's Run right now. Right, sons? Wow. Absolutely phenomenal. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
How this is gonna look at nighttime.
I can't even fathom it. I'm heading back to see the Millennium Falcon firsthand right now. Oh, we're seeing it for the first time right now. The Millennium Falcon for the first time, seeing it is incredible. It's here. It's here. It's here. Oh my goodness. Alright, we're about to get on Smuggler's Run right now. You guys are seeing it as we're seeing it. This is amazing. Let's head over there. Alright, so you got a single riders over here and a standby. It's a 60-minute wait, not too bad for this. It is hard to just like pick a place to look. This is, oh my goodness. A 60-minute queue right now, and we're moving in. I've been speechless this whole time. About to see this firsthand, the queue line and all. Look at the theming of the land. The Millennium Falcon right there. There we go, guys. Just look at it. Oh my goodness. It's right there. Like, it's like exercise. Oh my goodness. There we go. Right, sons? Right, sons? Oh my goodness. It doesn't make sense. Like, we are in Batuu right now. Firsthand. Oh my goodness. We just touched the tip of the queue line right now. Look at the size of it. This is incredible. What is going on? What? Amazing. It's literally like the real Millennium Falcon. It is the real Millennium Falcon. Oh my goodness. We haven't even stopped yet. Yes. The real steam coming out of the Millennium Falcon. I am geeking out right now. Oh my goodness. We finally have stopped. As we're wrapping around right now, we're about to go inside of the queue line. We're just speechless right now to see what's about to happen inside. Oh my goodness. Just look at this.
Oh, look. Oh. Take pictures.
Oh, they got a photo opportunity with lightsabers over there that we are definitely gonna do. It's right behind us. Oh, it's like a hangar bay right here. Look. Oh my goodness, try not to fall. All the details in every bit, every corner, it is here. They perfected it. Disney, amazing job. It is literally perfect. Wow. Oh, the theming, the sound effects. Just listen to this. Every bit of detail. Look at this, guys.
You say so.
Look at this. That's fantastic. We're just seeing the inside portion of this so far, and just wow, the detailed theming of this is unfathomable. It's amazing, and we just got inside. Look very closely, card game in full effect. That's picturesque just right there alone, just like this shot. Look at the attention to details right here, everything. Oh my goodness. Wow. Everybody's just taking, yeah, me too, but everybody's just taking a second to just process this. It's, wow. It's an incomplete droid. Oh, down there, right there, you guys see it. Oh, what was that? Oh my god, the engine's moving. Guys, the engine, right there, it's moving. What's going on?
Combustion chamber.
Hold on, there's something happening. Hold on.
Thrust chamber. Overheating. Turbine exhaust. Overheating.
Oh, you can see up there, like they're in there.
It's not cooling down, people.
I don't know where to look.
We don't know where to look. There's so much going on. Is it gonna explode? Guys, look. speechless. Oh, look at it. Look at it behind me, guys. Right here. It's so beautiful. The theming, the details. It's so beautiful. Oh, all the parts. Oh my goodness. Every bit. I don't know. But is that going to be a new tradition where people leave pennies and stuff and coins? Yeah. Mine's still rolling. Okay. We just tossed some pennies there. I guess that's going to be a new tradition that we started. Our wish. Oh my goodness, the detail. It is moving pretty quick though. Look at this. It's the top of the Millennium Falcon. Right here. Oh wow. You got a bird's nest right there.
That's a little, probably little, what do you call that? Easter eggs.
Easter eggs, yeah. Wow, this shot right here, though. The top of the Millennium Falcon right here, guys. You can barely see me. Gotta keep moving, but wow. Incredible. We're not too far.
Right here.
Oh, it's right here? That wasn't that. What, you said less than 30 minutes?
Well, yeah, it's 8:34 now. So at 8 o'clock we got in. Yeah.
Great job. The ride is just right here. The details. How the lights are flickering. Incredible. That's all I can say about this. We are almost at the ride right now. The queue is incredible. It is very well themed. Everybody's having a good time meeting fun people. Oh my goodness. It is just insane. It's almost time to ride this ride. In here right now, waiting. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Just waiting right now for the doors to open, and then we'll be in there. We're here. Look at it. The screens. Goodness. It shows you the layout of the Millennium Falcon right here. Oh, they just opened. How'd that open up? How'd that just open up? Oh my goodness. Can you see this, guys?
How could that have happened? We don't even deliver ion disruptors.
That's an animatronic.
They're illegal. You know that. Ship them. Well, you know, I had a bad feeling about that last group. What is this? Oh, this is the group I've been waiting for. Yes. Come in. I have an opportunity for you all that is bad, dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends into danger?
Oh my.
You insult my honor. And believe me, I have very little honor to insult. We'll talk later. I have to know everything around here.
Goodness.
Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. On road for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend. Yes. As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll give you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. The First Order will never know we were there.
Chewie.
Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your
That's animatronic.
I would never send them any place dangerous. They might damage the ship. And them too. Yes, well. This is why I started my own company. To have ridiculous conversations with the talking trash.
He took pictures of it.
Yes, indeed.
Like,
Where's the girl with the button?
oh, hey. Amazing. Right, much better.
See, now you're breaking up. I cannot hear you.
Wow.
Boring conversation anyway. Another group of flight candidates. Welcome, my friends. Welcome, welcome.
What do you think of this?
Freaking tastic. Oh my god. I can't believe this.
But without the buzzing,
I have no words.
It's not a person.
That's
Oh my god.
Ow! Here we go, guys. Wow, how they made it rusty and dated. Incredible. Wow. Yo, guys, look at this. I'm an engineer. Oh my goodness. Guys, it's time. Oh my. Oh my. Look at this. Look at this. The hammer details. Oh, this is incredible. Oh, you can see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. It's incredible. Oh. Oh, that is a must photo. That is a must. That's an absolute must, guys. Alright guys, we're about to get the photo. So they allow us to wander this little area until our color is called. Again, I'm a yellow engineer. It's so awesome. The photo opportunity right there that everybody's getting.
Oh my god! What? Button back! Watch the shit! Click the button, you're flashing the button, my god! Fix this thing!
Hopefully they're not pilots.
Hopefully not. Well, okay. I can handle it. We're in here. It's just us. It's just us right now. Oh,
Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Move on, my friends. See you in the cockpit. I will be in the cockpit, of course. I'm thinking of... You're still here. Go, go.
Okay. Alright. We're just waiting now. Waiting for the door to open or something. Thought I heard something.
It's just us. I'm nervous.
I'm nervous. It's just us. Nobody's there. Look, look, look. Nobody's there. Ah, door's just open.
Sorry, I got scared.
That's true.
Remain seated and
Oh my
supervise
goodness.
young
Flight crew,
ones.
huh? Small flight crew.
Yes, just go in on it. Oh my goodness. Here we go.
Goodness, Miguel.
We're in here.
Automatic repair engaged.
Oh my goodness.
Right, pilot. Push the flashing button to take off.
Oh, oh my goodness. The details.
Oh my God.
This is amazing.
Oh my God. Oh, gotta steer it.
I'm trying. Oh, I'm steering. Light speed. Light speed. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh. We are not good pilots.
Could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse.
We're going down. We're going down. Oh crap. Oh. Press the buttons. We're so bad. There it is. Amazing. Oh, we're so awful.
A distraction! Fire the missiles at the tree! Hurry!
Hit in the buttons. We just fired the missiles. Woo!
It's coming down!
We got it. We got it.
Hit the boosters! Boost!
Boost.
We made it!
We made it. Here we go.
Let's get out!
Light speed. Let's go. Move over. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful.
This will greatly help the resistance.
All right, landing.
Made Chewie proud.
We did it.
Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the
I'm so sorry.
Sorry.
I'm so sorry. It was hard to engineer.
Oh,
Pilot.
terrible.
Hit the red button. That's a lot of collisions.
Whoa! Looks like we are ready to unload.
Everything. I know. We made it so sick out here.
Amazing. You can see too, we did an awful job, so how it's flickering, that means we hit everything. So that's damage right now, guys. I'm sorry, we were engineering, steering, everything. Everything. Hold on, guys. You got water fountains right here too, which is really good, so you're really thirsty. That's awesome. All right, let's go down the stairs. Try not to trip. We hit everything. That was absolutely amazing. Oh my goodness, guys. Your thoughts?
So much fun.
Oh my goodness.
That's amazing. Absolutely.
Amazing.
Absolutely amazing.
What's going on here? Oh my goodness. We hit everything though. We were just doing it by ourselves. That ride is incredible, guys. Incredible. Oh my goodness. So we're back. We landed back in Batuu, guys. And here we are. First hand back. We flew the Millennium Falcon with no crew. No crew. No engineers, no gunners, nothing. Just us piloting. We made it back. It was a lot of dings. They'll buff it out though. But all in all, we did an amazing job. That was awesome, guys. I'm speechless.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
Very speechless. That was amazing.
The theming though of it is awesome. Let's go. Michael K here. What'd you think of Smuggler's Run?
Epic. Truly epic.
Disney's
You felt
feature.
everything. You felt every back
Yes.
and forth of shit
You
moving all
really
over the place.
did.
Loved it. Absolutely loved it.
Were you a pilot or?
I was a gunner.
Oh, you were a gunner?
Pressing the gun the whole time, but I want to be a pilot in the future.
I was trying to tell her, I was like, go over, because she's on the left side.
Yeah. I gotta try it all.
Yes, absolutely. Did you try the?
That's my next stop.
Oh,
Blue
let's
Milk.
do it.
Blue Milk is
Hand in
doing
there.
it.
Oh my goodness. Trying it. I'm so excited. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. Ooh, here it is right here. All right. Jocelyn has the other one here. Thank you so much. All right. Here we are. We're going to try it out. The blue and green milk right here. Ready? So our first take right here, the blue and green milk. So that one they said is pretty citrusy, sorry. This one's pretty tropical. We're gonna try it out right now. Here we go. Whoa, really good. This is kind of like a Slurpee. Slurpee, yeah. Trade out, let me try yours really quick. Yeah, I'll hand that to you. Don't drop it. Trying the other one out. Refreshing. Absolutely refreshing. Yeah.
The blue is good.
Yeah, the blue I really like a little bit more, but this one, it is tangy, definitely citrusy. But for a hot summer day, this is perfect. It is perfect. But yeah, we're gonna enjoy these guys. They're super good. Guys, the land is incredible. We're just free to do what we want and walk around right now in this 4-hour vlog. Oh man, seeing amazing other YouTubers that I look up to, talking to them, and just being in Batuu, being transported. We're not in California. We are in Batuu right now. It is awesome, man. Like, just look at all the theming of this, guys. It's incredible. Like, look at this. He is making the food right now. Right now. He's making our food right now. Enjoying a blue milk and about to look at some merchandise. Alright guys, let's take a look. Alright, oh my goodness. Oh, see all the... Oh my goodness. The first order merchandise here. No Wookiee was harmed right there. You can get some stormtrooper helmets. Or the merchandise right here, guys. And check it out in this outpost. Oh, yes, you know I definitely need to get a mug, guys. Enjoying it. I can see you getting this right here.
$22.99.
$22.99? Huh. I'm trying to find the perfect one for me, but not overspend. Because I definitely can here, without a doubt. Creepy. Oh my goodness. Oh, these thermoses and stuff. Right back there. Check it out. Alright, right behind me for $4.25, they are selling the Coke bottles right there. Look, a droid. Droids rolling around right there that they built. But yeah, definitely, you can get everything that you need right here. $4.25. A huge long line. Look at that right there for it. So we're definitely gonna get in line because, like I had did a video on, I definitely want these bottles right here. All of them. I left it on the ship. Yeah, I left it on the Millennium Falcon.
All right, move along.
Okay, thank you.
Keep that droid in line.
I think so.
You're the one wearing the shirt.
The stars might be in battle. I don't know. I have no idea. She's wondering why everybody's wearing Star Wars stuff.
I never hear.
Yeah.
I never hear a lot about the Star Wars.
I know.
I've seen a lot of those creatures.
Yeah.
I
I think it's an invasion.
maybe they were saying they're over the ruler, the supreme leader had like the little
Agreed.
like that one. That's the supreme leader.
Oh my goodness.
On that shirt.
Thank you guys. Amazing cast members. It's a good day. It's a good day as promised. I am loaded with all the stuff that I love. Jocelyn has the water bottle, the Dasani. We get everything right here. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Look at this, guys. The Droid Depot, where you can build your own droids. Oh my goodness. Let's take a look around. Oh, the R2-D2 shirts, the keychains, everything. This thing is awesome. Oh, got some more mugs down here. I think I like this one. Oh my goodness. Take a look at this. He doesn't have his head. Oh, it's down here. Oh my goodness. Can you process this? Oh my goodness. Look at the details, guys. They're up there patrolling. They're up there. Oh, the speed racers. Look at them. Look at them, guys. Incredible how they're just there. Great photo opportunity for y'all. It's amazing. They are really the life of the party, though. Absolutely. Absolutely. Just, oh my goodness. This land is amazing. The blue milk is amazing. I am just ear to ear happy, and I'm just so thankful that we made it out here through all the travel difficulties, but we're here right now, guys. We're here, and you guys are joining me, and it's just magical. The details of all of this. Oh my goodness. Like, look at all this. The details of this part of Batuu. Oh my goodness. Get to none, guys. Absolutely, hands down. Gift shops, like little merchant shops, food places, vendors. Oh my goodness, like traders, everything right here in this little alleyway. Oh my, it's a little village. It is incredible. There's so much merchandise to get. There's so much. Look at this. Look at this. Where are you gonna find this? Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Oh wow. Just oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my goodness. Even the bathroom doors are themed. It's incredible.
I wonder if the bathroom is
Dude,
themed.
I think they slide open the bathroom doors, guys. Incredible. Incredible. Look at that. He blinks. That is awesome. He's just hidden down here. Come in peace. My new friend. Doing a turkey jerky? Ooh. That actually looks really, really good right now. Some places to sit over here for you guys. Oh man. This is incredible, guys. I can't say this enough. I keep saying it, but it just keeps getting better over and over and over, guys. Look at this. The theming, the music of it right now is incredible. Look. I'm gonna catch the sliding glass door, or the doors close behind me. It doesn't get better. Look at that. Disney at its finest. Oh my goodness. Oh my. Wow. Sun is finally coming out, and we are in line for Olga's Cantina. Can't wait to see inside, try some food and some drinks. 2 drink max. Gonna give it a try. Try it out. Let's do it, guys. While we're still here from the 8 a.m., I think they let the next batch of people, so our theory being proven. See a lot of people running back to Smuggler's Run, which we did earlier, so it has me think and believe that these people just got here. It's really interesting to see us mesh together, that they're not necessarily kicking us out, even though we got ours are blue wristbands. Look at this. They're seeing this firsthand too. It's beautiful to see it the way we saw it. You know, we saw it before them today. But yeah, super excited. Oh my goodness, it's really cool. So I guess we can still hang out here in the land until it gets overpopulated, like I said in my video, and see where it goes from there. We will keep tuning in while we're about to go into the cantina, guys. See you soon. Yes, this is the next batch of people, guys. They got the green wristbands and we got the blue. So the 8 a.m. to 12 have the blue, the 12 to 4, even though they're letting them in early, they have the green one. It's really cool to see how this is meshing together. Seeing Olga's Cantina for the first time. my goodness. Look at this. Oh my goodness. There we are.
Come on in, traveler.
Amazing. Here, Olga's Cantina. Super cool. Look at this first hand. Yes, I want to see the band in a second, guys. You guys, let's take a look at the animatronics right here. Look at this. That is extremely cool. And people can just sit here and drink. You stand up, look at the drinks here. Oh my goodness, super excited. Walking around here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, a full tour of this thing. First hand. Oh, the whole bar. It is gorgeous in here. Absolutely gorgeous. Everybody enjoying themselves. Let's have a drink. What's that? Hold on. Alright.
I got the Buddy Rancor.
Okay.
It's got a good float of vodka on top.
Yeah. I overheard.
Stir that up.
Okay. Awesome. Awesome. What'd you recommend?
So far, what?
Okay. Okay. Alright.
I got the Carbon Freeze.
Okay.
It's got a little bit of the juice bubbles down the
I
bottom.
really like that addition.
It is a bubbly Powerade, is how I describe it.
What?
If you
Okay.
like Powerade, you're gonna be in business.
Okay. Works. Works. Next.
I got the blue bantha and it has a sugar cookie on the top.
Oh wow.
And this is like a fondant frosty.
Yeah.
It's really yummy chocolate right here.
Okay.
It's like a buttery sugar cookie.
Yeah.
I love the cookie
Uh-huh.
more than I like the drink.
Okay.
But
Interesting.
The cookies are good. The drink is really sweet.
Yeah.
It's like a smoothie
Okay.
and it's a fruity flavor. But I don't know
Is
what
it similar to that blue milk?
It's
the same thing?
It's blue milk. It's blue milk.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So-
Interesting. Interesting. All right.
I've got the Gamorrean ale,
Yeah.
and it is a red ale,
Okay.
and it's out of this world.
Oh, wow. That's the highest compliment. Okay. Yeah. Dun, dun, dun.
I got the Buddy Rancor.
Yeah.
And I would highly recommend it.
Okay. I'm glad to hear this.
Very, very good.
We're next.
Slow charge circuits? Probably nothing important.
Plenty of places for you to stand, drink, eat, all of that stuff. Really amazing. Oh, he's back there, look. He's just chilling in there. That is incredible right there, guys. Everything in the shot. Love it so much. Enjoy free drinks like you see boozing. Look at that. Try not to go too deep in there. It's only for cast members only. Alright guys, leaving Olga's Cantina. And first thoughts, absolutely amazing. Now it's super sunny out. But yeah, what did you think?
It was amazing. The drinks were really good. good. They were different, but they were good.
They were definitely different, very well themed.
Yeah.
Super strong. We had 2 alcohol drinks. Total with the tip, it was like $40.08 exact. Drinks were good though. Yeah, really liked it. The theming in there is fantastic. Met a lot of friends, a lot of good people. We had a great time. Yeah, really loved it. Overall, that theming in there is second to none. Really fantastic and awesome. Really enjoyed it. Absolutely amazing day. Oh my goodness. They just got engaged, and then another couple just got engaged. Congratulations to them from the Millennium Falcon. Brooke and Robin Lopez right here. This is super amazing right now. Everybody's here talking to so many people. It is a good time nonetheless, guys. Having a blast. This is amazing. This land is phenomenal. Keep it going. We're gonna keep this going. What do you think about your day so far?
I'm overwhelmed.
It is overwhelming. By the way, Brooke and Robin Lopez, obviously super tall, so NBA players, I think, for the Houston Rockets and Milwaukee Bucks. Amazing to see them here, just nerding out, having a good time. But yeah, so many people, so many things to do and to watch. Guys, get here. We'll be in the one in Orlando too, but this is incredible, guys. Incredible. Absolutely phenomenal. Guys, we love you. Glad you're here joining us on the journey. Alright guys, so that'll do it for us today at Star Wars Galaxy Edge opening day at Disneyland. What did you think?
I'm speechless. It was amazing. You guys come out, you all will have a lot of fun.
Yes, the Millennium Falcon behind us. Super sunny day. We're going to continue to enjoy the rest of this day of the park. So my theory was correct that they will let us stay as long as it doesn't reach capacity. They may stop serving us, but we can still, enjoy the land. But guys, thank you so much. Don't forget to leave without dropping a like and subscribing. We love you so much. Until next time, our next adventure. We'll catch you then, guys. Take it easy, and may the force be with you. Just use the restroom as all humans do, and yeah, they're super well themed.